this is Sam Creating the Heart, and I'm back with another haul. So this haul is all about tailored expressions. I bought it multiple times. It might be all mixed up because some are kits, some I've shoved in the bags for the kits. But this is kind of how I'm storing some of my tailored expressions, just because I have not enough space to store my stuff like in my bins. So, you know, that's how it goes. Okay, so I think, so they have a deal. If you spend $100, you get a free stamp set. So I want to say that this is stuff from the last 3 months for tailored expressions, or 2 months. I want to say this might have been a freebie. I'm not sure because I can't think of why I would buy this one. But I like it. This one is called Itty Bitty Sentiments, and it's a clear stamp set, and it has little sentiments, which are great for, I think, tags. I think that it's good for, you know, places where you need a little sentiment. So it's always good to have that. So there's this one. And then this is called Full of Flowers. So I got kind of the whole shebang. So I love these cling and clear combos. So I'm going to need to make some, definitely need to make some cards so that I could probably show all the different cling and clear combos I have. So what that means is you get the red rubber of the full stamp set, and then you get this clear stamp set where you can stamp, sort of the inside parts of the big stamp set. And I also bought the dies. So if you wanted to stamp this and then just cut out parts of this stamp set to use on a card, you could do that. Kind of fun. It also goes with another stamp set that I have, which is this one, Full of Flowers singles, where I believe those dies also go with this as well. So I love that mix and matchy type thing. And then this one is called Social Butterflies. I saw lots of really great things made with this, and so on social media, so I want to give that one a go. And then this one also has a cling option to do the inside of the rubbers, different colors. And then of course I've got the dies as well. So it's a whole pack of things there that I put this back in here. So it all goes together. And I put everything, I have not used any of these, but I put everything as ready to go get put away because I am trying desperately to clean my craft room. So this is a kit. It was the Butterfly Wishes kit. Their kits come in these really amazing bags, and so I love using them to store the rest of my stuff. So with this, you got envelopes and seals for your envelopes. And then here's the pack. It's a whole kit here. So here's the main one. This is a Butterflies Stamp and Stencil combo. So in this you get the full rubber stamp. That's what that looks like. But then you get the stencil so that you can stencil the different parts of your butterfly, which I think is really, really fun. So you start off with this, and then you can color the top part of your butterfly a different color than the bottom. I mean, you could use gel on that if you wanted, like, you know, some kind of glitz gel or something if you wanted to be sparkly. So it comes with all of that, plus 2 clear stamp sets. So, I don't know if this came with a die or not. Oh yeah, it came with the die as well. I'm like, where's the dies? So here's the dies. And so here's the dies. And then here's the stamp set. So you can also stamp the tops and bottoms of these as well. And then this is Sweet Sentiments, which came with it, I believe, as well, which I love how that sentiments are. So that is the Butterfly Wishes. I'm actually putting this other stuff in there as well. Okay, so on to the next thing. So this has got a couple of things in here, but it's got the Very Cherry kit as well as some other things. So the July freebie is this one, which I think is really, really cute. And I've seen people do lots of different things with this one, so I need to play with that because I really like that. And then also in here, which is not part of the Very Cherry kit, I forgot that I had bought this, is this Argyle Stamp and Stencil combo. So it's much like the other one that I showed you, the butterfly one. So you've got this Argyle stamp sets, which is fun, but then you've got these ways that you can go ahead and customize it to make it look more like this. So I think that one is really, really cool. So I think I bought this one because I wanted to get to 100, and this kit wasn't there. So part of this kit is, it's that whole clear and cling. And I love cherries. I mean, I have been a huge fan of Mary Bright like forever, like since the 90s probably. So because of that, I do have a love of cherries, and I just love this. This is so cute. So you can stamp your full stamp set, and then you've got this one where you can color in your cherries, stamp your cherries. And then you've got this where you can kind of work this with this stamp set, and it's got these really cute sentiments. And then I've got these dies. The dies work, I believe, also on this main one. You can cut pieces there. Cute little seals with your red envelopes. And then this one, which is an open scallop. Of course, you can use this for anything. And then this stencil goes with it. And what's really amazing is when you stencil, you can match it up so you stencil over this stamp set. You stamp this, color it, whatever you're going to do, and then you're going to put this over it. It will do these hearts, but it will not mess up your cherries. It'll fit in between all of the cherries. It's so spectacular. Really, really can't wait to play with this kit. All their kits are really, really fun. So there's that. And then, I don't think this is a kit. I just used this to put stuff in. This is from, I think this one's from when I did the Stamp Joy. So this was the freebie of the month, I think for June. So I got that for free. And then you could tell I'm like totally into these like ones that are kits and combos and all of that. I do love that. So this one is a flamingo one. It's called Tickle Pink. You get a stamp and stencil combo. So here is the stamp. And then here is the stencil to go color in your flamingo. Here's the die. This is a mini slim that just kind of goes with it. I like it. So all of that came in the kit for this. So there's that. And then I got this mini slim stencil. This one is called Wonky Dots. I got a mini slim scalloped envelope liner, so I can make my own envelopes, and then I can line it if I want. And then here is the Toucan Do It stamp and stencil combo. Similar idea. There's your stamp set, and then you can go ahead and color it in using your stencil. And then I also got the die for that. So that is my Tailored Expressions haul. I also got some ink too, but I think I put those away. So that is that. And I really am loving Tailored Expressions. So I am going to be putting things away, and then I'm going to come back and get another haul to share with you guys. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.